Hey everyone, this is John, and we have Frances with us today. I like to call her Stone Cold Megan Fox back here because she is cold, and she's complaining a lot about the cold. Oh my God! Let's try it again. Hey everybody, it's John Johnson, and we've got Megan Johnson, and together we are the dynamic reselling duo, and we sell stuff on eBay for good money that we support our family, and we do it full time. So if you like videos to learn about reselling and how to make money, then you are in the right spot. So go down below and tap that like button, and then karate chop the subscribe button. That would be absolutely awesome. And here we go. We're going to jump right into this video. Frances is cold. We've been out digging for stuff all day, and we're ready to go home. We haven't even ate supper yet, and it's like, what time? It's 5:44, so we haven't really had much to eat of any substance today. So we're going to jump right into this video, and the first item that we have here is a bunch of Hot Wheels. We actually have 6 of these Volkswagen Hot Wheels. They're pretty cool. How much did they sell for?
$12 plus shipping.
That's awesome. Okay, the next item that we have is this awesome Midge Barbie. It looks like we've killed her because we got her wrapped up in a plastic bag. But I promise you, we are not serial killers. We do like to keep our items in good shape. So, how much did she sell for?
$22.45 plus shipping.
$22.45 plus shipping. Okay, guys, the next item that we sold here is this factory sealed 8-track. It's from like 1976. It's older than me and Frances. And how much should we sell it for?
$7 plus shipping.
$7 plus shipping. Sealed media is just on fire now. I would definitely tell people to start finding sealed cassette tapes and putting them back. I think that's going to be the next thing that fires off. If you find some like old Metallica or like metal or rock music, like put that stuff in a box, stick it back in your inventory, and put gold on it. I think it's getting ready to blow up. Just the tip. Okay, the next item that we have here is a copy of Twisted Metal Black, and it is for the PS2. Great shape. Finally starting to sell some of these video games. How much did it sell for?
$20 plus shipping.
$20 plus shipping. That's awesome. It's a great game. Okay, the next item that we have here is an Engines Parts Catalog. I've had this thing listed forever. How much did it sell for? $18.95. That is a lot of money, and it was a good year. Okay, the next item that we have here is this The Law CD. It's another CD from that It's a Bunch of Crappy Music CD collection. And this guy was a little particular. What did he say, Megan? Step on up here. And
he wants us to ship it in a box.
So you gotta speak up.
He wants us to ship it in a box so the jewel case doesn't get cracked.
Yeah, he paid $6.50 for it, and I understand you don't want it to get cracked, but I will tell you that as a buyer, if you want like box, maybe you could be like, hey, I need that shipped in a box. Will that cost me any extra? And I'd have been like, probably like $1, because we're gonna have to get a box and go through the extra effort of making sure it's boxed and making sure it's in good shape. And for an extra $1, I'd be more than happy to do that. But for $6.50. You know, I'm not too excited. So I think that it's just really important that as a buyer that you make your expectation known before you purchase the item. Don't buy an item and then hit your seller with a bunch of added, I need it shipped this way, I want it shipped here. Like, let all that stuff be known. Send a message up front and let your buyer or your seller know what your requirements are, and then if he says no, go pound sand, then you know you don't want to buy it because you know maybe I still want to ship it in a 25-cent bubble mailer instead of a 75-cent cardboard box. I don't know. It just kind of struck me the wrong way. If you think I'm being a little too extra about that, let me know down below. Okay, the next item that we have here is a mitt. This one is a Ron Santo vintage baseball mitt. How much did it sell for?
$15 plus shipping.
$15 plus shipping. Okay, the next item that we have is this Hillman's Old Style. I don't know if I'm even saying that name right. It is a beer tray. It's a server tray. Kind of cool. People love the old beer stuff. For a long time, I didn't sell any type of beer-related items. I had a very traumatic childhood growing up. My mother drank a lot. My stepfather drank a lot. And that caused a lot of turmoil. But then I realized as I got older, that was their problem, not everyone else's problem. So I need to be making some money off of this stuff. So I did. That's a little weird off-topic tidbit for you there, but there you go. Now you know. Now you know about my weird childhood. How much did it sell for?
20 plus shipping.
20 plus shipping. We'll take it. The next item that we have is a set of Brita water filters. I've had these things listed forever. I'm surprised they didn't get pulled because I had an item just get pulled. Some clicker clackers, didn't even know you couldn't list them on eBay. And I posted them on my Facebook page, and I think some sneaky person who follows me must have reported it because that would have been the only way they would have known. And so people, the people who watch you the hardest is the people who want to see you fail, not the people who want to see you succeed. So I just want to say a quick shout out to the person who wants to see me fail because every time I succeed, I'm thinking of you. But anyways, those sold for how much?
$8 plus shipping.
That's right, $8 plus shipping. The next item that we have here is a blue root mason jar. It's a number 3. Really beautiful jar. I think it sold for how much?
$15 plus shipping.
$15 plus shipping. I love these, but I hate shipping them. They're so brittle. The next item that we have here is I don't even want to say that first word. It's some kind of trout hatchery hat.
I don't know.
Shickalamy, and there you go. We've got this super nice hat, and pretty cool.
19 plus shipping.
$19 plus shipping sprinkled on top.
And then the last is that.
The last item that we have here was the best item that we sold today. It was this erector set here, and pretty awesome. How much did it sell for?
106 plus shipping.
106 plus shipping. So everything together here sold. Yesterday we had a pretty good day in sales. I think we sold over 300. One day we did 400 this week. Sales are starting to pick back up on eBay for the Christmas holiday vacation, and that is awesome. We've had kind of like a dip in the middle of the month right before Thanksgiving, but I'm hoping after Thanksgiving things shoot up. I've been working really hard listing. I've listed probably about $200 200 items this week, and it's really starting to show in your sales. I'm telling you, people, if you want to see an increased sales, you buy quality merchandise and you list it at reasonable prices, and those items will sell. You will make money. So if you like this video, I definitely would appreciate it if you would go down below and hit that like button and leave me a comment, and leave a comment for the people who like to report items on eBay. Let them know what you think of them, because apparently if they're watching my videos and they're following me that close, they're going to come back and they're going to read all of the comments that you have to say to people who like to report items to hurt other people's businesses. Let me know down below what you think. You guys have a good day. As always, we appreciate you guys for watching the video. God bless you guys. Keep on digging and keep on picking. And remember, the family that picks together, what do, Francis?
They stick together.
We stick together. And we don't report other people's listings. God bless you guys.